So most of us have tried dieting at some point in our lives. We wanted to lose weight, or maybe we had a special occasion coming up and we wanted to get into that special shape. But for the reasons I'm going to tell you, हम उस चीज़ पे fail हो गए, and ऐसा क्यों होता है? So in this video we're going to be talking about why diets don't work. तो आप सब ने सुना होगा ऐसा कुछ कि 30 days में आप 10 kgs lose कर लो, या 30 days में you lose 7 kgs और 8 kgs, and maybe you tried one of those and even lost weight, पर फिर जब डाइट बंद करी तो उतना ही वेट गेन कर लिया या उससे भी ज़्यादा, because that's what I commonly hear. तो ऐसा क्यों होता है? So ऑन वन ऑफ दोज रिस्ट्रिक्टिव डाइट्स जो आपको 30 डेज़ में बोलती है कि आप ये सब कुछ खाकर या ये सब नहीं खाकर अपना वेट लूज़ कर सकते हो, दोज आर वेरी रिस्ट्रिक्टिव डाइट्स. दे टेक अवे एवरी थिंग दैट यू हैव ग्रोन अप ईटिंग. दे प्रॉबली आस्क यू टू स्टॉप ईटिंग carbs, so you're not eating roti, you're not eating rice. You're probably just surviving on soups and juices, and there isn't any conversation about protein and healthy fat, and maybe you're overworking, and you're working out way too much, and you're not fueling your body physically. So in that case you will lose weight, and that will happen because your body is put in such a severe calorie deficit कि body को जब calories ही नहीं मिल रही हैं तो body फिर जो भी फैट होता है उसको लूज़ करेगी, एंड जो फैट लूज़ करेगी एज इन क्योंकि उस फैट को मोबिलाइज़ करके उसे एनर्जी गेन करना चाहेगी, बिकॉज आपने अपनी बॉडी को एक प्योर स्टार्वेशन मोड में डाल दिया है. बट आप ऐसी सिचुएशन में कब तक अपनी बॉडी को डाल सकते हो? बिकॉज द वे इट वर्क्स इज़ कि हमारी बॉडी का एक डेली कैलोरी एक्सपेंडिचर होता है. वी ऑल हैव अ कैलोरी मेंटेनेंस, वी हैव अ कैलोरी सरप्लस, एंड वी हैव अ कैलोरी डेफिसिट. अगर आप कैलोरी मेंटेनेंस पे खाते हो, जो आपका यूजुअल जितना आपकी बॉडी को मेंटेन करने के लिए कैलोरी अमाउंट ऑफ कैलोरी चाहिए, तो आपका वेट नॉर्मल रहता है, यू मेंटेन योर वेट. अगर आप अपने कैलोरी मेंटेनेंस से थोड़ा सरप्लस में खाते हो, यानी आप थोड़ा ज़्यादा खाते हो, तो यू पुट ऑन सम वेट और यू पुट ऑन सम मसल और वट एवर योर काइंड ऑफ गोल इज़. और जब आप कैलोरी डेफिसिट में खाते हो तो कैलोरी डेफिसिट में ऑफकोर्स यू लूज सम फैट एंड यू लूज सम वेट. बट calorie deficit and losing weight also has a very smart approach to it, and not something around a restrictive diet mentality, because the problem with being in a calorie deficit within a restrictive mindset is कि आप उस चीज़ को कभी sustainably follow नहीं कर सकते. मानो कि चलो ठीक है, आपने सोच लिया है कि for this month I am planning to lose this many kilos, and you've started on a diet, but okay, it's going well for like a good week or two, but फिर कुछ ओकेजन आ गया, किसी की शादी आ गई, किसी की बर्थडे पार्टी आ गई, खुद का बर्थडे आ गया. सो वुड यू नॉट वांट टू ईट योर केक एंड एन्जॉय योर बर्थडे, और विल यू बी लाइक कि नहीं यार मेरी तो डाइट चल रही तो मैं कुछ खा ही नहीं सकता? Maybe you have that amount of good willpower, but for how long? If you want to lose weight and if you want to keep that off, there needs to be a better and a smarter way to lose fat and sustainably maintain that shape whichever you're desiring. So let's get to know कि हम ऐसा कैसे कर सकते हैं, and how you can lose fat and keep it off for a very long time. फर्स्ट, डाइटिंग वर्ड अपनी डिक्शनरी से हटा दो, बिकॉज डाइटिंग से जब भी कुछ रेफ़र करते हैं मूड ऑफ हो जाता है, बिकॉज डाइटिंग इज़ लाइक कि वट एवर यू लाइक इट्स जस्ट बिन टेकन अवे. और जो द फन विच इज़ इन ईटिंग, इवन इफ यू आर ईटिंग हेल्दी, देर इज़ अ कॉम्पोनेंट ऑफ फन and love in food, and you don't want to miss out on that. So dieting word अपनी डिक्शनरी से हटा दो, even though you want to lose weight. Instead go on what is called a sustainable nutrition. Sustainable nutrition is when कि जो आप खा रहे हो that becomes a way of your lifestyle. That is not on a diet. You don't say कि यार मैं डाइट कर रहा हूँ. When somebody asks कि okay why you not eating that piece of cake, or why you not eating that burger or that slice of pizza, you tell them because I have adopted a new lifestyle, I've adopted a new way of eating, or now I'm only going to be eating this way because this is who I am. It is not कि मैं एक temporary period के लिए ये सब चीज़ें नहीं खा रहा हूँ. I am training myself and my body to balance it out. I will eat that slice of pizza when I feel like, but I'm not restricting anything. So that is what sustainable nutrition is. Sustainable nutrition is built around your life, your preferences, your body and your goals. ये सब चीज़ें दिमाग में रख के you build a nutrition plan or a meal plan, या आप जो भी अपने दिन भर में खा रहे हो, you think about that, you keep that in mind and you build a plan according to that. ना कि आप ये restrict कर लो या ये रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर लो एंड देन एक्सपेक्ट कि यार आपको रिजल्ट्स मिल जाएंगे, बिकॉज टेम्प्रेरी रिजल्ट्स मिल जाएंगे पर लॉन्ग टर्म रिजल्ट्स नहीं मिलते. एंड इन दिस गेम वी आर रनिंग अ मैराथन, वी आर नॉट रनिंग अ स्प्रिंट. ये चीज़ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज योर बॉडी इज़ वेरी सेंसिटिव. तो आप अपनी बॉडी को एक स्लाइट स्टार्वेशन मोड में भी डालते हो तो आपकी बॉडी होल्ड्स अ मेमोरी ऑफ दैट. और फिर जब आप बाद में अगर आपकी बॉडी उसी स्टार्वेशन मोड में वापस जाती है तो यू एंड अप अगर आपने उस डाइट को फॉलो करा फॉर सम टाइम देन ओके, बट the moment you start eating again and you start eating the way you were eating before, your body will gain more weight because your body just wants to keep itself surviving and healthy. That's why even scientifically you don't want to put yourself in a starvation mode. Especially for women, our bodies are very sensitive, and if we are in something known as a starvation mode, we can develop conditions like hypothalamic amenorrhea, जहाँ पे हमारी body goes into such a survival mode कि जो हमारे ब्रेन से, जो हमारे हाइपोथैलेमस में जो इम्पॉर्टेंट रिप्रोडक्टिव हार्मोन्स होते हैं उनका सिक्रीशन ही बंद हो जाता है. बिकॉज बॉडी का एम अब रिप्रोडक्शन रहा ही नहीं है, बॉडी का एम सिर्फ सर्वाइवल रह गया है. बट इवन इफ़ यू डोंट वांट टू have a baby, that doesn't matter क्योंकि आपके reproductive hormones are important for your health, for your bones, for your skin, for your mental health, for your mood, everything around it. That's why it is really important कि हम sustainable nutrition के path पे जाए and we build a lifestyle around that. Let's get to know more. Adopt discipline, not a restrictive mindset. अब लेट्स टेक एन एग्जाम्पल. अगर आपके पास एक रबर बैंड है और आप उस रबर बैंड को काफ़ी टाइम तक खींच रहे हो तो रबर बैंड खींची रहेगी, बट एज लॉन्ग एज यू होल्डिंग इट एंड आप उस पर फोर्स लगा रहे हो रबर बैंड का शेप बदल जाएगा. बट एज सून एज यू लेट गो ऑफ दैट रबर बैंड, वो रबर बैंड उतनी ही फोर्स से वापस आएगी और शायद आपको लग भी सकती है. सो दैट्स इन दैट सेम कॉन्टेक्स्ट आपका जो भी डाइट है और जो भी आपका न्यूट्रिशन है, आप एक वो रबर बैंड जैसा है. आप अपने आप को बहुत मेंटली फोर्स कर लो कि यार मैं ऐसे ही खाऊंगा, ऐसे ही खाऊंगा, but you can only force yourself up to a point. As soon as that restriction and that mindset goes off, थोड़ी सी भी क्रेविंग स्ट्राइक हुई तो आप उस क्रेविंग पे उतने ही स्ट्रांगली एक्ट करोगे. जैसे एक रबर बैंड बहुत फोर्स से वापस आता है, आप अपनी क्रेविंग पे भी उतना ही एक्ट करोगे. जो मॉडरेशन होता है कि अगर आपको एक केक का पीस दिख गया एंड यू हैवंट ईटन अ केक in 6 months, you would want to eat that entire cake क्योंकि आपकी body has been craving that so much, and that is what is called a restrictive mindset. तो जो भी आपने 6 months में मेहनत करी है about your nutrition, वो पूरी बस एक केक को देख के ख़त्म हो जाएगी. That's not how it should be. You should be able to enjoy life and you should be able to enjoy eating. So adopt a discipline mindset and not a restrictive mindset. Make yourself more disciplined around food and have and adopt more disciplined food behaviors. So whenever a craving strikes, understand ki okay, what are my options? If there's this cake, do I have a healthier alternative to it? Maybe I can go for a wheat based cake with something with less sugar, or maybe I can have a sugar free option. Or if you don't want to have a cake, you can go for some sweeter alternatives, like you can have a date dipped in peanut butter, so that's like a healthier option. You can have a protein bar. You can make granola bars at home and use a sugar substitute like monk fruit or honey or stevia. So there are a lot of options of going around in your cravings. And also one thing कि हमेशा हमें हमारी craving को fight नहीं करना है. If you know कि okay, I have been following whatever I've been aiming to do for a good time, once in a while having that occasional treat is all right, as long as you know कि okay, I'm working out, I am taking care of my nutrition all throughout the day, I'm having adequate protein, I am drinking good water, my diet contains of good vegetables, good fruits, I'm having a lot of fiber, I'm having a lot of fat. तो आपकी सटाइटी ऐसे ही मेंटेन रहेगी. तो जब आप कुछ क्रेविंग पे जाओगे, इवन इफ़ यू वांट टू ईट दैट डिज़र्ट, आप डिज़र्ट पेट भरने के लिए नहीं खाओगे. यू विल हैव दैट डिज़र्ट बिकॉज यू जेन्युइनली वांट टू एन्जॉय इट, और फिर उस चीज़ को जेन्युइनली एन्जॉय करो, सो दैट यू आर ऑल्सो हैप्पी एंड यू कैन स्टे ऑन दैट पाथ फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. फोकस ऑन अदर एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ योर लाइफ अदर देन न्यूट्रिशन टू लूज फैट. अब आपकी बॉडी एक कार जैसी है, अगर आप सिर्फ स्टेयरिंग घुमा रहे हो और गियर नहीं लगा रहे हो तो आपकी गाड़ी कैसे आगे बढ़ेगी, right? So to lose fat, you need to take care about your physical activity, about your movement. Are you getting adequate movement in your day or not? Agar if you're just on a calorie deficit and you're in a calorie deficit for a very long time, you will just feel not energetic and demotivated to work out. आप में कोई energy नहीं रहेगी, you will not feel like working out, and that's not a good good way, because you will lose fat, but then you will lose that charm from your face, and you will lose your strength, and you will lose your mental health, and you will lose your hormones, क्योंकि strength training के बहुत benefits हैं way beyond than just looking good and building some muscles. So please make sure कि आप अपने routine में, if you're trying to lose fat, you do some strength training, or you're physically active, you can do other forms of movement. You can go for like cardio exercises, you can go for HIIT, you can go for functional training, you can do yoga, you can do Pilates, you can dance, you can cycle, you can do whatever you like, as long as you're incorporating a healthy lifestyle which is holistic in a manner. जब मैं holistic की बात करती हूँ तो वो nutrition आता है, वो movement आता है, आपकी emotional mental health आती है, the kind of thoughts you're thinking. अगर आपकी body हमेशा एक constant stress में है, आप healthy खा रहे हो, आप workout भी कर रहे हो, पर आप अंदर से खुश नहीं हो, आप हमेशा stressed out हो, तो फिर आपकी body भी उसी state में रहेगी. Your body will always be releasing cortisol, and that is not very good for you in the long run. So you want to make sure that you're also taking enough time to pay attention to your emotional health. And high cortisol and high stress can also mess up with your gut, or gut health is also very important in regulating your satiety, regulating your mood, regulating your digestive system, जो actually आपके nutrients absorb करेगा. तो हमें ये सब चीज़ें बहुत holistic manner में करनी होती है. Your sleep is very important and I cannot emphasize it enough. मैंने अपने पहले वीडियोज़ में भी sleep के बारे में बात करी है, and sleep is super important if you're trying to lose fat. अपने don't lose your sleep, because I know some people who are just so worried about कि यार मैं ये चीज़ सही खा रहा हूँ कि नहीं, or is this right or not, and they end up losing sleep because they just cannot turn off their brain. So please make sure that you're getting adequate sleep, you're spending some time in nature, you're getting good sunlight कि आपकी body vitamin D absorb करे, and so that you produce healthy hormones, और आपकी body एक as a proper physiological system in its best form work करे. And as a consequence, इन सब चीज़ों का consequence रहेगा कि आप एक healthy weight पे रहोगे, and you can maintain that weight for the rest of your life, along with maintaining your energy levels, along with maintaining your health, along with maintaining your mental health, जो बहुत important है, जो हमें long term में काम आती है. So make sure that whatever you're focusing on in your fat loss journey is based on a holistic system of health. Make it fun. It is very important कि आप जो भी journey पे जाओ, आपका जो भी goal है, आप उस चीज़ को enjoy करो. One of the reasons why people cannot stay consistent, and this is what I see with my clients, is that कि वो एक mindset adopt करते हैं, but then they're not able to stay consistent with it, is because they're not having fun. They think कि यार ये चीज़ एक नेक्स्ट गोल है जो मुझे अचीव करना है, इंस्टेड ऑफ टेकिंग इट लाइक अ वेरी फन जर्नी. इट्स नॉट द डेस्टिनेशन, it's all about the journey. So you want to make it fun. So if you're planning to eat healthy, look up, okay, what is some new recipe that I can try this morning, what's something new that I can have for my breakfast. क्या मैं अपनी फैमिली के साथ कुछ मिलके बना सकता हूँ? If it's Sunday, have your family and cook a healthy meal together, so that you get to spend some time, and you also find that joy of sharing food and cooking food together. There are like so many recipes available on the internet according to your needs, and you can always try different foods, understand what works for you, what doesn't work for you. And there are, like I mentioned before, there are so many substitutes to whatever you're craving, and there are like delicious substitutes for like desserts and for like good fatty oily food, and even like pizza. You can get a very healthy substitute for pizza, which can be made like by a chickpea flour, and you can add more veggies and use your home based tomato sauce and use good quality cheese. So I'm just like randomly telling, there's more to it, and this is not a recipe video, but I'm just giving you some ideas कि the possibilities to stay healthy and eat healthy are endless. You just need to adopt that mindset कि I'm gonna have fun with this, मुझे ये करना है, and I'm gonna make it fun for everyone around me. Once you start being healthy by yourself, if you're living with your family, other people around you also get inspired. तो अगर आप एक इंसान हो अपनी family में जो healthy खा रहे हो, who've decided to adopt a healthy lifestyle, and if you truly are having fun with it, maybe maybe your family members might get inspired and they would also want to try. And isn't it all better कि हम सब साथ में मिलके healthy हो, because this is what this country needs right now. The country is just seeing so many lifestyle disorders and metabolic disorders, so it will be very nice कि अगर हम हमारे घर वालों को ही motivate करें कि just try this one healthy dish which I made today. You never know how that works. So if you do that, let me know down below. I would love to know what you're trying, and if you would want to know some more healthy recipes, and if you want me to make a video on that, please comment below, and I would love to do that for you. Last but not the least, enjoy it. And this is the most important, because हम यहाँ पे खुश होने के लिए आए हैं. So if you're not enjoying what you're doing, तो फिर मतलब ही क्या है? The reason you're choosing to be healthy is that when you're older, you have the right health and the right energy to enjoy things and do more things. So you want to make it fun. And even if you fall off the wagon on some days, it's completely alright. हम में से किसी का भी 100% perfect nutrition या perfect lifestyle नहीं होता है. Our lives are very complicated and they have many variables. So it's completely alright. एक practical approach और एक practical mindset बहुत important है. Do not get demotivated अगर एक day आपका as planned नहीं गया हो. It's completely alright. Focus on the next day, focus on the next step, and take it one day at a time. So that was all. I hope this was of help, and this was a very general conversation about something which I see very commonly. And on the internet you can get all scientific breakdowns ki why diets don't work in this, but I wanted to have a more honest general conversation which which works more on the psychology of nutrition and eating behaviors. So this is what I've understood in my practice and my work with people, and I hope this was of help. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up, comment below if you're trying anything new, share the video, and please subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon. It really helps me grow. Thank you so much.